I want to see the cushion.
Our plan is to race St. Francis County today, but it is raining. So, as of right now, the races are still on. I hope it stops raining pretty soon so that the pits aren't terribly muddy. And I can't get this door locked. We're gonna do that in a minute. Anyways, I hope that it stops raining soon because I don't want the pits to be muddy, and I hope the track is really good. This week was really hot, so I know the track could probably have used the extra water. That's the plus to this. The thing, my parents just got here. They spent all of Friday evening and day doing their own thing up in the city. Make sure you guys comment down below. It is my mom's birthday, so comment down below happy birthday. We are racing today on her birthday, so thank you, Mom, for being okay with that. But make sure you guys wish her a happy birthday in the comments. So, update, it's almost 4 and it is still raining. It is light rain, but it's still raining. So, let's hope it stops. Alex, is here. You're half an eye. You had half an eye for a second.
What?
You had half an eye for a second after you rubbed it.
Oh, anyway, this is boring. It's backed up on the road too.
Yeah, it's all the way. I mean, we got a bunch of people here. And
I just left my car over there, SOL, so.
They went around, if I can speak, to all of our trailers and told us like where to go, if we were okay since we have parking pads and like all that, and we still haven't moved. That was what, 12 minutes ago? 15,
12 minutes
12,
ago.
approximately 15.
Oh my god, we'll say 20.
I think it was like 15, 20, yeah.
Oh, they opened the
Bye, my friend.
Yeah, they opened the gate. 1, 2, or are we not? Or
Going on an adventure.
oh,
What's the rest of that song? Isn't it? It's like the Pets. The Pets. Oh, I don't even remember. I'll insert the freaking TV show that it is.
Oh, no.
Wonder Pets.
Oh,
Wonder Pets.
And
then she can draw for me.
Last time
So
I
that's
did
gonna work.
3.
Yeah, girl.
Hello.
Oh, yes. All right, you ready, sister? It's going to be right here on the corner when you're ready.
This one is for you.
69.
What'd you get?
1.
Nice.
When you're ready.
Aww. Hey, birthday girl. How old are you?
22,
If you were 22, then you'd really be my sister.
and then we're just fooling people all these years. They think that I'm your mom.
Mom, that ain't how that works.
I mean, it is.
Okay, how old are you really?
38.
38. You still could be my sister.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mom drew a 1.
Yep, I
Yep.
drew a 1 for Gary. It's
And I drew the back of the pack.
gonna stay that way all night long, number 1.
Because it's her bees.
Sorry, I'm filling out 50-50 tickets.
That's okay. We'll let you do that. Say bye. There's Kenna.
What's the 50?
There's another one.
Hey, Stanley, no.
There we go. You're fourth.
Oh, he came in here. Sorry.
Yes, to wear my shirt tonight.
Hey, my mom's wearing your shirt.
Oh, fifth.
Under this one.
Yeah, under
Oh, okay. Well, we got 5. We got 5.
I never know.
You got glasses on tonight?
Yeah. That way I can
What
see
are those
the.
for?
I want to see the cushion.
Okay. I heard you were gonna start running that.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay, so obviously I start in the very back of heat 1. Dad starts first row.
dudes, I'm winning push. You know what I'm saying?
Go for it. It is absolutely.
That's what you do.
I mean, hey.
What are you wearing? Racing shoes. Hey. Come on.
what we found last week was not the whole problem, apparently. So the girls are up there.
We have a secret hideout when we're not telling you.
Okay, so I'm gonna interrupt. This is future Haley. Hi guys. So I didn't pick up the camera very much, but basically in hot laps, my car was still cutting out. It was better than it was at Poplar Bluff. Like, it actually ran a little bit better, believe it or not, but I pulled in because I was like, this is still not right. So we got it to the trailer, and then we basically changed the carburetor. As you can see, I'm gonna insert some clips of that. And then we walked up to the fence. We had decided that we were gonna try to get it fixed at home. We thought that it was like the motor itself. And then Tim and my dad started talking, and they were able to figure out what was wrong. So everything on my MSC cap and whatnot needed cleaned, and we got the car back on the track. But we quickly figured out, or I quickly figured out, didn't take me too long to figure out, that it was probably a sign that I didn't need to be out there, because you'll just see it. So emotional because my part sucked, but that was awesome. Everybody was cheering.
Yeah, Mom did a one for it. So,
And Dad made with something broken. He made it.
Majorly broken.
He made
held
it.
That
He
bitch
got it.
underneath of him.
He got it.
It was kind of flipping over a little bit.
Go over and everything, right?
The shock and the coilover broke. The shock's time broke.
Get the air jack over here and let's get it up.
I don't think that is supposed to be like that. Or that. What do you guys think?
It's gonna be fun to fix.
Oh yeah. Can you tell everybody what it's like looking at the sky during racing?
Well, it sucks. But I won the race, so we'll see what the feature holds up.
Hopefully a lot better than the heat
Yeah,
race.
hopefully I don't break a right rear coil.
Yeah, let's hope that problem's fixed. Anything else?
No,
No.
no. If that JD Motorsports is watching, I'll see if I can't wing her around the top for you. guess not.
Mom's gonna throw us off.
That was a good one. No, yeah, it's not a good night for anybody, really. I mean, mine
Right
was-
rear's flat. I'm not sure what else the verdict is.
I mean, my night wasn't terrible. I mean, it could have been better.
Could have been worse. Could have been better,
worse,
but
too. It's alright.